Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to withdraw money from Stake to Coinbase, covering everything you need to know about both platforms. Before we start, ensure you have a verified Coinbase account and a Stake account ready to go. Let's dive into the Stake app. I'll show you step by step how to find the withdrawal section. Follow along. Stake has several withdrawal options. I recommend the best method for transferring to Coinbase for simplicity and speed. Now, it's time to enter your withdrawal details. Make sure to input the correct amount and select your payment method. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with your withdrawal. Understanding these fees is crucial for knowing the total amount you will receive. Once you've entered everything, double-check your details and confirm the withdrawal request. You're almost there. After confirmation, you'll need to wait for the processing. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once the transfer is complete, check your Coinbase account to verify that the funds have arrived. To summarize, withdrawing from Stake to Coinbase is straightforward if you follow these steps. Happy trading!